When you've been out flying with your drone and birds have circled it, like here with the kites, have you ever thought to yourself, can I get my drone to autofocus onto a bird and just pivot in place and follow the bird as it flies? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's pretty cool. So this is what I do. Once I take my Mavic 4 Pro up, and this is the DJI RC Pro 2 remote, I then wait for the birds to come, because the kites love having their picture taken. I click on Focus Track, which is then enabled, and then I click on C1. And there you have it. It's auto-tracking a bird, and it's even identified it as a bird. And if it loses track, don't worry, it then tries to regain it. And again, you press the C1 button, and it will auto-focus and auto-track as best as it can. And again, it identified it as a bird. It's lost it, but then it seems to have found it again, or found another bird. And then just wait, press C1. When it says C2, that means if you want to cancel, press the C2 button. But this is really cool. The kites love flying around the drone. Never had any issues with it. They just hover around, they circle it, and I've just thought to myself, I wonder if I can do focus track, and yes you can. Just enable the focus track, point towards where you think a bird is, and like here, it's getting in quite close, which is really cool, and it's keeping it in focus, and it's tracking the bird. This is a really cool feature. So just like cars and people, you can now track animals such as birds. Have a go. Good luck. Thank you for watching.